What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the Skullcandy Indy Fuel truly wireless earbuds. Now, these bad boys, as you can probably tell, look quite a bit like Apple's own AirPods, except these ones that I have right here are black, so that is definitely cool because I know a lot of people have wanted black AirPods for a while, so these guys definitely have that kind of look. I believe these headphones also come in a gray color too, but yeah, these are black. Also, they've got the Skullcandy logo pretty bigly on them as well, so you can kind of tell they're not exactly AirPods, but they do, once again, have that form factor. Also, these bad boys, which will set you back about $100, are additionally IP55 water resistant rated, as well as have tile integration to help you find them if you lose them. So yeah, folks, anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting these bad boys out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box right here. As you can see, we got the Skullcandy logo. Also says True Freedom, effortless charging, and that is because the carrying case for these headphones that you use to charge them, you can actually plop that case on a wireless charger to charge it up. So yeah, that's pretty cool, especially in headphones that only cost, once again, about $100. So yeah, Indy Fuel says that right here. It says up to 30-hour total battery time, definitely a good thing. IP55 water resistant, we already talked about that, and tile integration, already talked about that too. Let's flip these bad boys over. As you can see, we got a bunch of different features of them, specifically that battery life. It's 6 hours of battery time with the charge actually in the buds, and then another 24 hours with the charge that the carrying case holds. So yeah, folks, anyway, let us open up this box. So to do that, we can just pull open the bottom right here, and we can just pull the contents of the box right out of it, just like that. And voila, here are the headphones. So we've got the earbuds not actually in the carrying case. Once again, I've noticed with the Skullcandy Sesh Evo headphones that I just unboxed, check out that video if you haven't, that they were also not in the carrying case when they are in the box, which is definitely an interesting decision. Usually with truly wireless earbuds, they come in the carrying case. So we can just pop these earbuds right out of here. And oh yeah, I can already tell this one right here is gonna be a little bit hard to get out. Oh, here it goes, just like that. And here is the carrying case. I definitely like the Skullcandy logo, by the way. It's pretty cool how it's like a skeleton head like that. I definitely like it. And yeah, under here we also have some more stuff. Let's see, we got a user guide, we've got some interchangeable ear tips, and we've got a USB to USB-C cable. We can put this to the side. We've also got the little Skullcandy support card right here, and we have a little manual right here as well. Talks about pairing the headphones. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put them in the carrying case, then you're going to want to take them out of the carrying case, and then you should be able to see them in your Bluetooth settings menu and tap on them, and then they'll be connected. That's what I'm going to do to connect them. And yeah, folks, anyway, let's take a closer look at these headphones. So right here, folks, we can take a peek at this individual earbud. Once again, Skullcandy logo right there, nice and prominent. We've got this big stick right here that makes it very reminiscent of the AirPod design, but then we've also got a little hoop right here that makes it also look different. Right here, we've got the actual earbud, ear tip, whatever you want to call it, that goes inside your ear. And yeah, here are the headphones. As you can see right here, there's an L to signify this is the left one, so I'll put this in my left ear. Ooh, that is a nice fit. That feels good. And right here, this says R, so this goes in my right ear. And yeah, wow, these are actually surprisingly comfortable. That's definitely a good thing. How do I look? Do I look like I have some black Skullcandy AirPod-like headphones in? Because, folks, I do. Anyway, while I have these headphones in, we can take a look at the carrying case right here. Wow, this definitely feels more premium than the Skullcandy Sesh Evo, pair of cheaper headphones that I was just talking about. Their carrying case, this feels like a solid premium carrying case. Definitely like that, and definitely also like this black color going on right here. It makes it look really clean, and also just kind of mean with that skull on it. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. And yeah, folks, anyway, we've got a USB-C port down here for charging up the case, and once again, you can just plop it on a wireless charging pad to charge it up as well. That is definitely a cooler way to charge it than just by plugging it in. And yeah, folks, anyway, now I'm going to get these earbuds connected to my iPhone, so let me do just that. But first, got to put them in the carrying case, and let's get them connected, baby. And folks, now I got these Skullcandy Indy Fuel truly wireless earbuds all nice and connected to my iPhone right here, and I've actually been listening to a bunch of different songs on these headphones, so here are my first impressions of basically listen to music on them. So first of all, the audio quality. Obviously, you guys want to know how these headphones sound. Well, the audio quality is good, and especially at higher volumes too. It has pretty decent bass as well, so nothing really to complain about there. And yeah, also, like I said earlier, these headphones are pretty comfortable, so I definitely do appreciate that, especially them being these in-ear earbuds. Usually those can be, you know, uncomfortable, so that is definitely a good thing. And another also good first impression I have is the look of the headphones. I was looking at myself in the mirror with these headphones in. Like, these are pretty sleek headphones, especially if you like that AirPods design with the whole little stick poking out of them. These are definitely very sleek, so that is definitely a good thing. Anyway, folks, now I'm going to carry on the Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song every time I unbox a pair of headphones. In this video, I'm going to be singing along to Roxanne by Arizona Zervas. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And yeah, here we go, folks. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Oh man, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm bad though, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay up. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. And yeah, folks, there I was singing along to the song Roxanne right there. And yeah, anyway, moving on, let me show you the touch controls on these headphones. So folks, in this little bit of paperwork that comes with these headphones, you can see all the different touch controls. They're basically gesture based on a little touch surface on each of the earbuds, actually right where the Skullcandy logo is. So for example, you can, if you want to turn the volume down, you just tap once on the left earbud, or if you want to turn the volume up, you tap once on the right earbud. So let me actually play some music, and let's see, let me show you right here. So now I can go tap, 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 and boom, there the volume went down. And I actually paused it because guess what pausing is? That is tapping twice. So now it's currently paused. So if I tap twice over here on the Skullcandy logo, now it is playing. So I can tap twice again, and boom, now it is paused. So folks, now if you want to skip to the next song with these headphones, all you gotta do is you gotta hold down on the Skullcandy logo for 2 seconds. So 1, 2, and boom, now we skipped. And if you want to go back to the previous track, you just do the same thing except on the left earbud. So 1, 2, and boom, and 1, 2, and there, see, back to the previous track. And now another touch control on these headphones is you can actually tap 3 times on either Skullcandy logo on either earbud, and it will activate your personal assistant. So on an iPhone, it would be Siri. So 1, 2, 3, and I accidentally played, so we can stop. 1, 2, 3, and nothing happened. So I've actually tried this a bunch of different times on these headphones, and I haven't actually got it to let me talk to Siri. So that's definitely unfortunate. And yeah, folks, anyway, now we've gone through the vast majority of the touch controls right here on these headphones, the Skullcandy Indy Fuel truly wireless headphones. So with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about these bad boys in this video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of them. So if you did enjoy this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, folks, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Skullcandy Indy Fuel truly wireless earbuds, baby. Ooh.